Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our very last day of virtual preschool. Can you believe it is our last day of school for the school year? After this, it is summer break, even though it's not technically summer yet. Remember we talked about that? So we are talking about summer this week, but it's not summer yet. So let's figure out what day of the week it is. The last day of school we had was Wednesday, Thursday. So today is Friday. Yes, let's move that rainbow arrow down to Friday. And who remembers the name of our month? May. Yes, so let's count those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What comes next? 27. And our pattern. Blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. Blue flower, pink flower. What comes next? Bird. Yes, so we have a number 27 with a bird on it. So that was yesterday. That was the 3's class day. 25, 26, 27. What comes next? 28. And our pattern. Blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. Blue flower, pink flower, bird. What comes next? Bird. Yes. So we have a number 28 with a bird on it. All right. So today, let's say the whole date. Today is Friday, May 28th, 2021. And next week, so we have 29, 30, 31, and then, let's see, 29, 30, 31, yes, and then we have a whole new month. Does anyone know what the month is called after May? June, but we will not be in school anymore then. All right, so let's look out the window and check the weather one last time for this school year. So when you look out the window, is it partly cloudy, cloudy, sunny, windy, rainy, stormy, or snowy? And if you stand out outside your door, does it feel burning hot, hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing cold? And don't forget to check your weather app to see what the number is for the temperature. All right, so we've been talking about summer this week, which is coming up towards the end of June, although many people really just consider once it's June, we just call it summer. But officially, it doesn't start till towards the end of June. So let's see what our book is today in our mystery envelope. We have to turn it sideways again. All right, so this book is called Summer Colors. And I will never understand why the library sticks their stickers right smack in the middle of the title of books. I do not understand that. All right, so summer color. Let's see here. The hot summer sun lights the sky like a torch as folks fan themselves on the shady back porch. The sparrows keep chirping a song, soft and mellow, and sunflowers reach up with petals so yellow. Oops. Mama serves peaches and cold lemonade. It's hard to stay cool, even here in the shade. Daddy and Uncle bring chairs from the shed. Our cousin shares ice pops so swirly and red. But far past our yard and the little stone well, beyond the tall meadow where quiet deer dwell. And over the hill where the willow trees sway, the clouds in the sky turn a dark shade of gray. You ever seen a stormy sky like that? And remember that book we read called Sky Color? Remember when the kid was trying to figure out a color to paint the sky for the mural? And gray was one of the colors that she saw for that, wasn't it? Not just blue. The wind starts to stir, a few drops pitter-patter, and critters that creep in the grass quickly scatter. Rain batters down on the blustery scene as cardinals fly into treetops so green. Splashing and splattering, streak after streak, the rain soaks the earth and sweeps over the creek, where frogs start to croak and the water snakes slink, and wildflowers glisten with petals so pink. It rains on the cliffs where the egrets take flight, and down on the waterfall, misty and white. Are you noticing the color words in the book? They're written in the color that they are. No. It rains on the lake where the paddle boats rock, and drenches the people who fish from the dock. The picnickers pack up their salads and pie and run with their bright purple blankets held high. So there's another color word down there. Oops. It rains on the meadow where cozy mice hide. Then here in our yard as we hurry inside. Our soggy shoes squeak when we race through the door. We crowd by the window and watch the rain pour. It's a nice summer storm, isn't it? It falls on the chairs and the swing set out back, on the brown wooden fence and the shed painted black. A flash and a crash fill the thundery sky, but we're snug in our soft orange towels, all dry. The storm drifts away and reveals the bright sun. We head to the yard for some more summer fun. The rain left behind a refreshing cool breeze, and silvery droplets that sparkle on trees, and plenty of puddles for playing in too. And in each reflection, a clear sky of blue. We skip and we jump, we twirl and we dash. Our hot summer day ends with a splash and a rainbow. All right, so that is the end of that book, and that is our last book of the school year. All right, so remember we've been doing our summer bucket list. Remember, a bucket list is a list of things that you want to do. So this is a list of things you want to do in the summer. So on Monday, we talked about the page that says, Friends I Want to See. Wednesday, we talked about the page that says, Places I Want to Go. So today, the page we're talking about is Things I Want to Do. So you will draw a picture of things you want to do this summer and have a grown-up write the words. Or you can try writing the words if you've started to do that. You can sound them out. All right, and the last thing I have for you is something that you can kind of use all summer. Yours is not in page protectors like mine is. This is nature journal. It says my nature journal, and inside there are just a whole bunch of pages that will give you kind of ideas for things to draw about in nature. So the idea for this is to bring it outside with you. All right, when you go on nature walks or go camping or just playing outside in your yard. Okay, so there's lots of different pages that you can do, and feel free to make copies of them if you want to be able to do them more than one time. All right, so that is the last thing I have for you this year, other than your graduation certificates when you come for graduation on Friday. So I hope to see you all there, and have a great summer. Bye, everyone.